Yes, hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. And
Okay,
you?
I am also fine. Where are you from?
I'm proud Philippines. How about
Okay,
you?
okay. I am from Bangladesh.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. Which part? Do you live in Philippines? Which part? Which side?
um, Manila.
Manila. Okay. Why your teeth is looking so beautiful, so nice? Why? So beautiful. You have so beautiful teeth.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. What are you doing here? What are you doing in this air? Are you earning from here?
I'm first time. I'm first time, but I like to funny like this.
Okay,
Friends like this.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
Uh, and you?
okay. I am
And
here.
you? Why you here in this apps?
Okay, okay. I am here. I am to work in English. So I am here for practice English with strangers like you.
Hey, okay.
Okay,
I'm upset.
okay. Do you want to? Why? Why are you laughing?
Where you live now? Where you live now?
Oh, I.
Where you living
Okay, I live in Bangladesh.
now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Me, I'm from Philippines, but I'm working here in Dubai.
Right now, currently you live in Dubai.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So can you advise me a little bit that how can I improve my English skill? I mean my speaking skill.
Practice.
Just
Before
practice.
me also, I don't know I don't know how to speak English, but I same like this. I join the talk the another people. That's why I practice the English.
Okay, okay. Okay, so
Yeah,
how many language can you speak?
yeah. How many language?
Yeah.
Maybe more because I'm everyday because me I everyday talk English because I'm work my working is sales lady. That's why.
Self lady. Okay. Which product do you sell?
Okay. But I cannot tell here in the live.
Okay, okay. Your family live with you or they live in Manila?
No, I actually my family is living in Philippines. I have two kids, twins.
Okay, twins baby.
Yes, boys and
Boy,
girl. But
boys or girl?
last month my last month in February my husband is dead.
Oh, so sad, so sad,
Last month,
so sad.
yeah. But I don't back in the Philippines because I don't have money for go in the Philippines.
You don't have money to go there.
Yeah, because expensive for go Philippines.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So sad.
But
Okay,
long time I don't lie because tomorrow I'm work. Because today I'm day off. That's why I'm making live today. But tomorrow I'm work.
okay, okay. Okay, so
Okay. Good night.
good night. Bye. See you again.
Okay. Bye.